See it? Can you see it? Oh, can you see it? It's moving. Gigutom ang squirrel, no? Yeah?
The weed.
I know. Look up, look up. Look up. Look up. The squirrel is there.
Its favorite food fell.
No, the fruit. Did you see the squirrel na? Did you see? Did you see? Yeah. Did you see it?
Look down. Going down over there.
Look. It moved to another tree. Bye, squirrel. Listen. Zombie David. Zombie David. Zombie David. Zombie David. David. Oh, super big tree. Oh, it's scary, no? One night, David, one night, when mommy was taking Ate to her taekwondo class, mommy and Ate stopped by the tree, and mommy took a picture of Ate, and then in the picture, there are pairs of eyes. So mommy got scared. Zombie David.
Watch out.
Zombie muna.
Watch out.
Gani. You go to that one. Sige, touch the leaves.
No.
Touch the leaves. Gani. Touch the leaves, oh. Wee. It's alright.
I'm scared.
Okay, Beth.
I'll go back.
Zombie David. Zombie David.
Watch out there.
Zombie David.
I'm getting up to the tree.
Zombie David.
Huh? What's
Hey, David's
the
walking. Yeah, we're walking.
Wait for me.
No, you wait for me. It's David's first time to walk this far. Yeah, birds singing. To the left, to the right, David. To the right. Need to go back.
I need to go back to find some squirrels.
To find some squirrels. Where are the squirrels?
I don't know.
You don't know, but you have to find. Stay at one side. David, stay here at the side. Not in the middle. Okay, let's go. What's in there? I don't know that tree, but it looks like tiny cherries. No?
Not tiny.
Why are you looking at that?
Tailmugs.
Mm?
Tailmugs.
Careful. Don't go on the grass, ha? And I pupo diha sa dog. Run, David, run, mommy, run. Oh, look where you're going. You have to look where you're going.
Mommy, I missed you, Minnie.
Oh, you miss me. You miss mommy. Yeah.
I tried to ride a motorbike.
We used to walk this road. When David, we used to walk here in your pram, no? But now, David's walking and running. Oh, look where you're going. You might fall over. Are you happy you're walking?
No, I'm sad. I miss mommy.
Oh, you miss mommy right away.
And it's cold.
Stop touching.
It's cold, Minnie.
Yeah, it's cold. Stop touching the ground.
Here.
Dirty.
No, it's not dirty.
Oh, look at that. There's another baby there walking. Oh, there's another baby there walking. Oh, see? The baby's not scared. Baby's not scared. Sige na, just walk.
We walk to the baby.
Yeah, we're going that way.
We're going to that way.
Gitanggal ni mo imong. Where's your hat?
No,
Where's your hat?
I don't know.
I don't know karon. Tigulang ka.
Back.
In your bag. Kay imong tanggalon.
Back.
Okay. You said it's itchy. We need to get more hat, anak. It's getting colder na, no? Bye-bye now. Oh, they're also, mommy and daddy and baby there. Oh, they're walking. Bye now. Bye now, David.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.